Hi everybody, how are you? From this video today we are going to learn computation of SD from group data. But firstly we need to know what we mean by standard deviation. Standard deviation defined as the square root of the average of the squares of the deviation of each scores from the mean. So let's get started. The formula we will use to find the standard deviation, the formula is sigma root over summation fx square divided by mean. Okay, so we can see there is an example. So today we will show a calculation from the example given above. So first we made a table. There is total 7 columns in the table. The first column is score. So we will discuss step by step. Scores 60 to 62, 57 to 59, 54 to 56, 51 to 53 and 48 to 50. Then write down the frequencies. The frequencies 5, 6, 7, 8 and 4. The first things we need to do is calculate the midpoint. So what is the midpoint between the numbers? Basically midpoint is average of two numbers. So formula of calculate midpoint is UL plus LL divided by 2. If we follow the formula, is 60 plus 62 divided by 2 is 61, and 57 plus 59 divided by 2 58, and then 55, 52 and 49. Now the next things we need to do, multiply frequency and midpoint column. Then 61 to 5 is 305, 58 and 6 348, 55 into 7 385, 52 into 8 416 and 49 into 4 is 196. Now the next things we need to do, the calculate the deviation. We showed in our previous video how we can find out the deviation. So we know that in order to find the deviation, we need two scores and the mean of those scores. Okay, then let's calculate the mean. In this case, the formula we will use to find mean from group data, the formula is summation fx divided by n. Okay, we got to calculate the mean. The mean we gonna calculate by taking the sum of all the f time x. So summation fx equal to 305 plus 348 plus 385 plus 416 plus 196 is 1650. Okay, so summation fx 1650, and we need the sum of total number of frequencies. Okay, so number of total frequencies 5 into 6 11, plus 7 18 plus 8 26 and plus 4 is 30. The n equal to is 30. So 1650 divided by 30 equal to 55. Well, now that we know the mean of this scores, so if we subtract the mean from the midpoint, then we will get the deviation of each scores. So 61 minus 55 is 6, 58 minus 55 is 3, 55 minus 55 is 0, 52 minus 52 minus 3, 49 minus 55 is minus 6. If we take a closer look at the formula given above, we will understand what is our next step. Here the formula shows that x square, but in our last column we calculate the deviation, and now the next things we need to do squares the deviation. Okay, the square of deviation is 6 square 36, 3 square 9, 3 square 9, and 6 square is 36. Well, again we go back to our formula and see there is fx square. Okay, now the next things need to do multiply x square and the frequency column. Okay, then fx square 36 into 5 is 180, 9 into 6 is 54, 0 into 7 is 0, 9 into 8 72, and 36 into 4 is 144. Then again we go back to our formula. The formula requires summation fx square. So now we have to add every numbers of fx square column. So summation fx square equal to 450. So now we can calculate SD. So let's write down the formula. The formula is sigma equal to root over summation fx square by n. Okay, so summation fx square is 450 and n is 30. Root over 450 divided by 30 is 15, and root over 15 3.87. So this is the answer. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.